Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing MBI, and we are taking a look-see at Indigo. So, want to take a look and maybe do a sell since things are up, and we picked up like 2 batches under this price. I want to be smart. I want to continue. Don't even look. Don't even freaking look. Especially, don't even look at that. Don't pay attention to that. AGIX sold for 480. Can't win them all, people. Don't focus on that. All right, so we put in 195 ADA and got 50 INDY on the 26th, and we also on the 19th we did 265 and got 60. So the last 2 orders we bought, so we were 60 and 50. So like 110 INDY tokens. We're sitting on a little over 200 right now. I'm loving the staking, but I also want to continue to buy low, sell high, wait, buy low, wait, sell high. That's a part of the game that we're into right now as well. So, what do we do? Year, month, day. Yeah, 26. I hate how they do the format for the dates like that. I'm thinking about maybe doing 20 or 30. Maybe if we can just do this trade, get the 195 ADA. Let's see, 195. So I'd have to sell 30. So we would be getting our money back and keeping that 20. I like it. But then we did 265, I think. What about that 265? We need to do 40 to get that 265. We'd be keeping 20. Decisions. And why are we using this? Why aren't we using the new feature on Indigo? Indigo's got a new feature, guys. I know you've seen it. I retweeted it. But they've got a beta swap built in. Where we can do that 195. Whoops, I don't want to get IBTC. INDY. 195. I'm going to sell 30. 31. It's saying Sunday swap has the best price. I want 195. Whoops. 195. Why is it doing that? Get out of here. That's goofy. Guess we can't do it that way. 31. 32. It's saying Sunday swap. 1.3. Look at the ADA on ring. Look at the pool on Wing Riders, 8.62. And this kind of goes back again. What we were talking about on that temperature check. Oh, Wing Riders is better than Sunday swap. The hell it is. Bunch of trolls. Dun, dun, dun. Let's connect our wallet. Oops. Jeez Louise. Okay. Yeah. All right. So what we'll end up doing, let's get to our dashboard. We gotta pull some out. Manage these rewards. Claim. Got like 33 ADA in rewards sitting waiting for me. I want to withdraw. Let's do 31 INDY. Going to take us down to 0.01. Oof. Any amount. I don't know. Let's do 30. 31. Let's do 31. 31. And we're going to pull our 33 ADA rewards, and then we'll pay the transaction fees. Withdraw. Let's do it. Come on. Sign the transactions, confirming. And it should automatically withdraw our ADA awards, which they should put a checkbox that gives us the option to do that, because we may not want to pull our rewards every time. But in this case, we do. In pretty much all the other cases, we didn't. It was just something that we had to live with. What's the confirm? Waiting for the train. Okay, and we're waiting for it to confirm on the network. Still waiting. Jeez, what's going on with the network? It's taking forever. Let's take a look at the price, though. It's been up, man. In the last 30, 20%, in the last 14, 55. It dropped down to $1.20. We watched it. We didn't buy any at this point because we had done 2 buys. I didn't want to go into 3 buys before we got an opportunity to sell something. And we're still waiting. Nothing showing up in my wallet. Nothing pending right now. Just sitting there forever, I guess. Well, I'll guess I'll just wait for this to confirm, let you guys go, and then we'll do a follow-up video and take a look at the new feature of Indigo. Hopefully it works. I don't know what's going on with the network right now, but it is bugging out. Could be the wallet, could be the platform. I'm not seeing a transaction right now. I've refreshed the wallet and I'm not seeing anything. My history, my pending. So it shouldn't take this long. So we'll probably flip and go inside the DEX or inside the wallet and use the DApp connector and try to do it that way. It didn't take any money from me, I don't believe. I don't see anything moving out of my wallet to pay any fees. So it just could be stuck. But yeah, I'll go from there. So thank you for checking out the channel. Hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.